Hi, this is the first one of these I have done in a while and I have a new sewing space. So I'm going to show you the space on another day. What you can't see on the other parts of the camera is it's completely filled with boxes. So I've still got lots of unpacking to do, but I'll do that and tell all of that another day. Today I just wanted to jump in super quick because I want to get these fabrics washed so that I can get started sewing. But yesterday I went to the Selvedge Society and Bobbin and Ink and I grabbed some new things. To make some new things. So I've got my little tote bag here filled with all my goodies. So I got some spot and cross paper. I need to trace out some Japanese patterns from a pattern book. So I got some of this from Bobbin and Ink. It's fabulous because it's got markings on it and also because it's slightly see-through, which means I can just like literally trace things, which is a great time saver. So that was my first big thing. Trying to do it because there's also reels of thread in here, so I don't want things to come apart. At the Selvedge Society, I also got this gorgeous khaki denim. It's so beautiful. It's a lovely kind of mid to lightweight denim, so it's not too heavy. So it's going to sew very much like any sort of twill weave rather than a heavy denim weave. But it's gorgeous. This one's actually going to be a workman's jacket for the Englishman. My brother is currently in Tokyo and keeps sending me daily like updates of what he's buying. He's been buying these awesome jackets and I'm super inspired to like make one because they just look really great. So I got that denim for that, but I also got this very cool check, which I can look on the Selvedge and see who made this one. So this is Grid by Kimberly Kite. And I said that funny because it reads like night, but it actually doesn't have an N, so it's a kite. I'm going to use this for the pockets internally so that all of the pocket bags will be this, just because I thought it was a cute little contrast to how kind of austere the outside jacket is. So I like to make it a little bit fun on the inside, particularly when I know no one's going to see it, so that's always great. So that was those two. I'm just going to pop them down because otherwise I'm going to run out of space. I also got a bit more of the grid, so same designer again, so Kimberly Kite. I got this in the blue. The Englishman has been learning Japanese and he uses these really cute grid books to write in, and I thought it would be very cute to make a little book bag for him using the grid. And my machine, which is sitting behind me, which is the Brother NV180D, it will do lettering, but it also does lettering in kanji, so I thought it would be really cute to embroider some little Japanese lettering on there. So that's my plan for that one. I just thought that would be kind of fun and cute and a useful thing to do. So those were things I bought for him, and then for myself I bought these two beautiful Liberties, which naturally I didn't write down the names of, so I'm hoping it's on the side. No, it doesn't tell me. Anyway, they're gorgeous and I kind of love them. There wasn't a ton of this one left, which was fine because for ages I've been wanting to recreate this dress. So I got some of this one to be able to do that with. So the dress I just showed was a happy accident. There's a whole blog post on my blog about that. But anyway, I'm going to combine these two along with some insertion lace. I haven't figured out the design yet, but I knew that I wanted something like that because I wear that dress so much and I really do enjoy wearing it. So I'm going to do something with that. I'm not sure what that is yet, but I figured I've got enough time to wash it out and decide before I get to cutting, because I'm going to start on the jacket first. So I've got that, and then while I was at Bobbin and Ink, I stocked up on different threads to do all of my projects. So I have two Resant threads. I couldn't decide whether I wanted the blue or the green for this project, so I got one of each, plus I needed some more blue anyway because I use it so often. So the Resants are for those ones. And then I got some regular khaki for the standard seams in the jacket. Then I got some top stitching thread for the top stitching in the jacket. And then I also got some heavy duty thread, which I want to use for maybe some bar tacks, or some maybe like the top buttonhole or something. I just wanted to add a little pop of outside color to the workman's jacket, but I kind of haven't really thought it out. And I thought, well, it's going to be one of the last things I add. I can decide that later. But I just thought that would be really nice because it sort of pulls in the colour I'm using on the back. So, yeah, new threads, new fabrics, all very exciting, as is having a new sewing space. That's my plans. I'm going to go wash out my fabric and get started sewing, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!